ni Mayor Magalong at siya po ay tinalaga bilang special advisor. So liliwanagin po natin, ang pagtalaga po sa kanya ng Pangulo ay bilang special advisor at hindi po lead investigator or in any other form na pag-iimbestiga. Hindi po siya naitalaga sa pag-iimbestiga at hindi po at wala po siyang power over the PNP and CIDG dahil ito po ay under sa DILG. Mayor Benji Magalong, special advisor and who will act as investigator for the ICI. Mayor Magalong is a career law enforcement officer who served as Deputy Director General of the Philippine National Police